Hi, good morning everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, hello. What are we on today? Well, as you can see, a lot of water and a lot of mess. If you went back about, I don't know, 10-15 videos ago, about sort of winter time, all of this was flooded. I had to come up here and they wanted me just to have a quick look here to see why the water's sitting on top. And then I dug down. I think I was sure the title had something about compaction. So what we've done is I've come here, I put a ditch in, the ditch just took most of the water away. Let it dry off a little bit, and now I've come here with a ripper tooth and I'm just ripping through it, and I'm telling you, I can feel how tight that is underneath. That is really tight. And that's all I'm doing to start off with, and then I've got to move to my next job, which I'm hoping to be moved by around about dinner time. That's what I'm hoping on. As you can see, look, it's pulling the digger. That is tight under here. It really is tight. It should not be that tight. Not for farmland anyway. But yeah, now I'm moving to the next job, which is going to be an awesome job. That's about a month's worth of work in a load of wood. Literally going around the whole outside of the wood, doing about a 6 to 10 metre area, sort of from the fence either side, so 5 metres either side, so they can maintain the fence. And everything's got to be pulled out of there, lengths of wood to one side, lock on top burn. There's stuff on there. Bit of metal from something. This is wet on here. So we've had a week's worth of dry weather. It's still wet. I can't believe how tight it is. Yes, I am going fairly deep, about 18 inches. About the same as what a subsoiler should. Don't want to go much deeper because there are land drains on this bit. And I must admit, I can feel when I go through them, I can feel the stone. So it should drain this off fairly well. All this is doing is just shattering the land, just shattering it to allow the water through. couple of different camera angles for you. I don't know how well they're going to come out until obviously I edit them. Tell me which ones you like and which ones you don't like. I can get a couple more, but really this ain't the sort of job that's really that exciting to be doing different camera angles on, if you know what I mean. It's, I've got a couple more ideas, but first of all I need to clean the tracks and the 360 off. I had one good idea, but that didn't quite work because the clump of dirt on the undercarriage sort of knocked the GoPro off straight away. But no, let me know which camera angles you like. But that's going to do it for this job. I'm not going to carry on and bore you. I'll probably do one last little bit after this talk. I'll show you the whole bit I've just ripped up, and then we'll move to the next job and crack on with that, because I'm looking forward to that. That's a lot of tree shear work. First things first, when I get there I've got to get a load of collect a load of wood up that I tree sheared there last year and get into a fire just to get the fires going, ready to start burning all off on top. So yeah, I'll see you when I get there. Well, I'll see you once I finish this job. I've only got a little bit more here to do. I'm not worried about that trackway, I haven't really got to do that. It's just this bit in here and then this job is complete. Don't forget, like, share, subscribe, hit that button and hit that button. You can see it that well, but this is what we're trying to get rid of. If you can see, that water's running in there lovely now. We're just trying to bust this up just to get rid of all this water on the surface. Like I say, in that previous video I could only dig down 2–2.5 inches with a shovel, and then it was like hitting concrete. So I'm in here literally, like I say, just ripping this up and letting the water go. This time, in a month or so's time, this will be dry enough just to run a power harrow or something over it just to tidy it up, but it'll be good enough to crop again. Right, I'm going to carry on like I say, and I'll get back to you when we're moving, when I come to move to the next job. Right, so that's all ripped up and done. As you can see, there's about, I don't know, 3 acres there been ripped up. So hopefully that will now let the water go. Well, it has already. Where I've done it over in the centre there, the water's gone, it just leaves a slop on the top to dry out. So it is actually working. I just need to check the land drain where it goes into the ditch there. Make sure that that is sort of running, which I'll scoop out with a rake, and then that'll do for this job. Get ready to make a phone call to get loaded up and get to the next job. Do well. So we've got a 6175. There she goes. And we shall meet her at her next destination. Alright, we're going to meet her at her next destination and go from there. Right, I just really want to apologise for such an abrupt end to this video. I had to quickly get the digger unloaded and get going because that's got to go back to where Dad is, and there's a time on the gate that it shuts and it doesn't open again. So the tractor driver had to get it back there for a certain time, so I had to quickly get unloaded, and that was that. Didn't really get any footage of anything. But anyway, I am back. If you see 2 of my previous videos ago, I've done the 3-pond chain. I said I was coming back here on the Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. I'm back here. So I haven't got to do anything there apart from pull them twigs out of the pond later, but the digger's all hid up. I will show you in the next video what I have got to do over the back there. So that's the easiest thing I can say. Next video, I'll show you everything, what I've got to do. I'll show you the maps of everything I've got to do. But right, don't forget, like, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Stay safe.